Hello, welcome to today's Market Snapshot with myself, Jasper Lawler, Senior Market Analyst here at LCG. What we're going to talk about today is no specific economic data or earnings release, but it's more a general theme that's dominating markets at the moment, and that's European election risk. One of the market moves that people have been paying attention to is that the spread between German bond yields and French bond yields has really escalated. So basically, investors are flooding into the safety of German bonds and flooding out of French bonds in expectation that there could be some election disruption. For example, Marine Le Pen getting voted in a presidential election in France, which would obviously be a big political upset. So investors showing a little bit of fright there. They're also showing that through a sell-off in the euro. But simultaneously today, as we've come through towards the latter half of the week, we're starting to see this trade reverse. We've seen a bit of support in the euro, and we want to have a look at the chart here to see if maybe some of this election fear is coming off, perhaps triggering a rebound in the euro against the dollar, and maybe those French-German bond spreads coming out a bit. So we're going to have a look at the chart now. So this is our daily candlestick chart of the euro, and as you can see, there's been after a period of a fairly decent uptrend, we've seen the market roll over a bit here with some heavy down selling days at the start of this week, but we've come into support from when we saw this massive reversal in late December. We've come down to that as we've come down to it as support before. We've got a false breakout here, and we've come back down to it as support again. So resistance turning into support. We've had this daily rebound as of yesterday, and we're looking to see if we can get a push higher in the short term again to give us some extra indication that this downtrend, this pullback in the short term is reversing to the upside. So if we drop down to the 4-hour chart, you can see here kind of a reverse phenomenon taking place here where this was support, this 107.10 type area down to the 107 mark. Got a bounce there the first time, second time broke through, kind of touched to the second time, second test here. We're up here for the third time. A rule often in trading is third time's the magic one. That's when it breaks. We've had a little break on a 4-hour basis above this little peak here. We've had a bullish engulfing candlestick here, and we've just edged above this 20 period moving average on the 4-hour chart. So there's some signs that maybe this market's beginning to reverse, but we haven't quite had the confirmation yet. This is potentially a inverse head and shoulders, but really what we want is a close on the short-term basis above that 107.10, sort of more like the 107.15 mark above this peak here. We've got a better indication that maybe the euro is going to start pushing higher again. So really we're watching this level here, this 107.10, to see if we can get some extra momentum. At the moment, the market is dipping down. If we drop back below this, the low of this 4-hour candlestick, around the 106.70 mark, probably we're not quite in for this break higher yet. So that's it for today's Market Snapshot. We're just looking to see if some of this election risk is subsiding a little bit in markets and maybe pointing to a rebound in the euro, which we're looking at this price level here. Good luck with trading, and thanks for watching.